Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to set live wallpapers on iPhone iOS 18 from TikTok. For example, if you want to set live wallpaper using TikTok videos, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here what you have to do, you have to simply go to apps, and in apps you have to look for the TikTok, and in TikTok you have to make sure that you have allowed the photos permission to TikTok full access with full access. So here you have to simply make sure of that, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to TikTok, and here what you have to do, you have to simply open the TikTok, and after opening the TikTok, what you have to do, you have to simply search for the live wallpapers from the iPhone on your TikTok, and after that you have to simply open that video, and here what you have to do, you have to simply click on that share button, and after that here will be option available live photo. So it will convert that photo into live photo, and after that it will be converted to live photo. Now how you can set it as a live wallpaper? So basically there are two methods available. So the first method is as that you have to simply open the photos, and you have to open that photo, and here what you have to do, you have to simply click on that, and after that here will be option available use as wallpaper. So here you can simply see that you can simply set wallpaper from the TikTok video, and after that the next thing you can do is you can simply see that this photo is live, so the motion is available. So next thing you can do is you can simply lock the screen, and after that you have to simply click on customize, and after that you will be available to change the wallpaper. And after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to the setting, and here will be wallpaper option available. So you have to simply click on that, and you have to simply click on add new wallpaper, and after that that live photo option is available. So here you have to simply select for that live photo, and after that you will be able to select that photo and set it as a live wallpaper. So in this way you can simply do that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.